Hey guys, we get asked all the time, what's the difference between Omnidek and all the other kind of one app platforms that claim to be able to consolidate a bunch of different apps inside of one ecosystem? Well, if you drill down, our architecture at Omnidek is completely different. We don't offer kind of this conglomerate of a bunch of different process improvements just underneath a single umbrella. What we offer is an assembly line of work. So that means that we perfect three features. That's all we do. And your team gets super, super competent in those three features. And this empowers you to roll out any process improvement in the future without any additional training or any of that process, because the guys already know how to use the platform. They know how to affect the assembly line, right? So it's super, super simple. Our no-code application allows you to build any process improvement through a Omnidek form and then face that form to the field, the internal staff, and even the external user through our extranet portal builder. That means I can capture any piece of data from anyone that would ever interact with your business. Second is that I have a single flow of all business content. That means everything's going through a single secure and audited workflow and approval inbox, and it's group chat powered. So that means that no one has to be taught how to approve things or how to chat about a particular work process and click a button to approve it, right? So all of this is super, super simple, collecting the data, approving the data. And then lastly is that we have a single reporting engine. And that reporting engine allows us to query the data however we see fit. So if I want to see things over a certain dollar amount, or maybe grouped by a job or grouped by a vendor or customer or whoever, I can do that, and I'm empowered to go use the reporting engine how I see fit to best visualize the data that I care about, as long as I have proper security. So as we start training people and we start implementing the assembly line for that very first process, once they know how to use the assembly line and how to gather the data that they care about and see the data and affect the business process, there's zero training moving forward. And that's one of these huge hidden values of what Omnidek brings to the table in regards to process improvement and overall IT health of your enterprise, is that we can effectively train three basic features into almost every business process inside of your company. All of this factors into an overall return on investment that's all tied to a significant reduction in the overall cost of ownership to your technology. So thanks, and continue exploring at www.omnidek.com for more information.